Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Porsche of Nashua in Nashua, New Hampshire, we have the 2022 Porsche Macan. Personally, I am very interested in picking one of these up. Yes, already thinking of selling the Hellcat, I know. But, for New England, as an only car, the Macan has it all. This one looks like it was a Porsche of North America car. So you see, not for sale. So when it was brand new, so now I think they've purchased it for sale. Let's see. 2-liter, turbocharged inline 4, 295 pound-feet of torque, 261 horsepower. Gentian blue, black interior. Total sticker price of $69,310. Premium pack plus. The upgraded Macan S wheels, heated windshield, which, could I seriously not? Huh. They must have done a good job integrating that. The sunblind, heated steering wheel, which I still haven't found a button for. Like, oh, it might be in here. That's right. It's probably. It's probably hidden in there. Now that I think about it. Come on. I'm bringing that to their attention. Don't worry about it. That will be fixed. Let's go for a drive. Come on now. Driving it in sport. This is, of course, the non-S. I wanted to drive a little bit of everything just to get my feet wet and see. See if I need the S. The Macan T does entice me though. Got plenty of burbles in this. This isn't even the sports exhaust either. I will forever say PDK, Porsche makes the best automatics. And there is no convincing me otherwise. Actually, technology-wise, Koenigsegg probably does with the new manual that's not. But that's a whole new level. God. I don't know, man. I still firmly believe Porsche's where it's at. I don't know, man. Could have went. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.